Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. A week back, I got a request from one of my subscriber Fluffy Otter asking me to draw Berserk from Power Punk Girls. Let's get started. In the animated comic series Power Punk Girls, Berserk emerges as a compelling figure. The Power Punk Girls are the evil counterparts of the Powerpuff Girls, akin to the relationship between the Rowdy Rough Boys. Their names are Berserk, Brat, and Brute, respectively, and they act as complete opposites to the Powerpuff Girls. They reside in a separate universe, separated by a mirror from their counterparts, created by oppressor plutonium using salt, vinegar, and everything nasty, infused with chemical X. The Power Punk Girls live in Vilestown. In their universe, roles are reversed. They are the antagonists, while villains like Mojo, Fuzzy, and him are portrayed as heroes. The Power Punk Girls revel in destruction and dominance, in contrast to Blossom's kindness, leadership skills, and neat appearance. Berserk is characterized by her nastiness, bossiness, and mean-spirited nature. Her red bow, similar to Blossom's, is notably messy and torn. Berserk frequently instigates fights and disagreements among her sisters. Despite possessing the same level of intelligence as Blossom, Berserk uses it for malicious purposes. Her element is associated with everything nasty. As an artificial human character created by oppressor plutonium, her striking orange hair distinguishes her appearance. Berserk proudly claims the leadership of the Power Punk Girls. Berserk, designed to be Blossom's exact opposite. Berserk stands out with her wild reddish-orange hair, which spikes up at the ends, and has messy bangs. Her hair bow is a fun contrast too, sticking out in all sorts of directions, unlike Blossom's neat one. Berserk's outfit is just as bold. She wears a sleeveless hot pink polo top with a red collar and a circle in the center, paired with a plaid reddish-pink skirt. Completing her look are white tights and Mary Jane shoes. Despite being the leader, Berserk uses her role for mischief and chaos instead of helping others like her good counterpart. As a one-time character alongside Brat and Brute, Berserk's full personality remains a mystery, but her unique style and leadership add excitement to the world of the Power Punk Girls. Berserk made her impactful debut and farewell in the episode Deja Vu, leaving an indelible mark within the series. This unique character adds a dynamic twist to the narrative, embodying both mystery and innovation in her design and role. Berserk was intended to be a villain on the television show alongside Brat and Brute. However, they ended up appearing only in the comic series. Unlike her sisters, Berserk's bangs differ between the cover and the comic. On the cover, the spikes are spread apart, while in the comic, they are closer together. She stands out further by wearing Mary Janes instead of boots, a choice akin to the good counterparts of the Power Punk Girls, the Powerpuff Girls, whom she doesn't wear bracelets like. Notably, unlike Blossom and Brick, who lead their respective groups, Berserk lacks a consonant digraph in her name, unlike Brat and Brute. Fans widely accept that the girls were made of salt, vinegar, and everything nasty, with everything nasty being Berserk's signature ingredient, despite the ingredients that created the girls never being shown.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.